So the next oscillator is going to be Clapp oscillator. So Clapp oscillator is an extended version of Colpitt's oscillator where we had an additional capacitance C3 for tuning purpose. So if you see the circuit diagram for Colpitt's and Clapp, only the C3 will be additional. So I'm going to add this extra capacitance C3, and which is also a variable capacitance which is going to ensure that my device can be used for multiple frequency operation, as well as it is going to improve the frequency stability of my device. So other things working, everything is going to be same. So addition of T3 will improve the frequency stability, and the frequency of oscillation is given by same formula F naught equal to 1 by 2 pi root of LC. But the C is series combination of C1, C2 and C3. So all the capacitors are in series. So the C is going to be the series combination of C1, C2 and C3. So 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. So in Colpitt's we had 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 only, but here additionally one capacitance, since we're adding it externally for some application purpose, that will also contribute to the formula in the frequency of oscillation. And we can derive if you derive the gain, it will be same as this one. So Colpitt C2 by C1, so same HFE will get for C2 by C1 also. So that derivation also we have done.